In this video, I'll show you how to program a universal remote for Denon receiver. Step 1. Check manual and remote. Make sure your Denon receiver is on and the universal remote has new batteries. Locate the list of Denon codes in your remote's manual. Some remotes may have an AUX or audio button for this device type. Step 2. Enter the code. Press and hold the setup button on the remote until the light blinks. Enter the 4 or 5-digit code for Denon. Release the button and the light should blink to confirm the entry. Step 3. Test and save. Test the remote's functions on the receiver, such as power or volume. If the receiver responds, the code is correct. Press enter or stop to save. If it doesn't work, repeat the process with the next code from your list. And that's how you program your universal remote for your Denon receiver. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.